When most people think about the animal kingdom, they imagine the strongest hunters. Lions, wolves, sharks, and other predators are often seen as the ultimate symbols of power. They dominate the food chain, inspire movies, and command respect wherever they live. On the other hand, prey animals are usually viewed as weak creatures that spend their entire lives running away from danger. But what if this popular belief is completely wrong? What if being hunted is actually a smarter strategy than being the hunter? Scientists who study evolution and wildlife have discovered something surprising. When we compare survival, population size, reproduction, and long-term success, prey animals often outperform predators in almost every category. Nature doesn't reward the strongest, it rewards the species that survive and reproduce the most. And by that standard, the animals being chased may actually be the biggest winners of all. Let's see why this happens. Life as a predator is far more difficult than it looks. Every meal must be earned through patience, skill, and enormous effort. A lion may stalk its prey for hours, only to watch it escape within seconds. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, yet many of their chases still end in failure. Wolves can travel long distances searching for food without any guarantee of success. Every unsuccessful hunt drains precious energy, and unlike plant-eating animals, predators can't simply move to another patch of grass when they're hungry. If they fail to catch prey, they go without food. This constant struggle is one of the biggest reasons predator populations remain small. Nature follows a simple rule: the higher an animal stands in the food chain, the less energy is available to support it. As a result, ecosystems can sustain countless prey animals, but only a limited number of hunters at the very top. Another reason prey animals thrive is their incredible ability to reproduce. While predators invest years raising only a few offspring, many prey species multiply at an astonishing rate. A single rabbit can produce several litters in 1 year, rodents reach adulthood within months, and many fish release thousands of eggs at once. This rapid reproduction gives prey animals a powerful advantage. Even if disease, harsh weather, or predators wipe out a large portion of their population, they can recover surprisingly fast. Predators don't have that luxury. A lioness may raise only a few cubs every couple of years, while tigers and other large carnivores spend years caring for their young. Because they reproduce so slowly, predator populations take much longer to recover after losses. That's why, when habitats are disturbed or environmental changes occur, prey species often bounce back quickly, while many powerful predators continue to struggle for survival. Surviving as prey doesn't mean living in constant panic. In fact, most prey animals spend the majority of their lives feeding, resting, caring for their young, and interacting with their groups. They have evolved remarkable survival strategies that help them avoid danger long before a predator gets close. Deer rely on sharp senses to detect movement, zebras stay protected by living in herds, and many birds warn the entire flock with alarm calls the moment they spot a threat. Some animals even recognize different predators and react differently depending on the level of danger. Predators, however, face challenges from every direction. They must compete with rivals for territory, mates, and food, and many are injured, or even killed, by members of their own species. Being at the top of the food chain doesn't guarantee safety. It often means fighting constantly just to hold onto a position that can disappear at any moment. In the end, nature doesn't reward the strongest, it rewards the species that can survive and pass on their genes. Throughout history, countless powerful predators have disappeared, while many of the animals they once hunted are still thriving today. The mighty saber-toothed cats vanished thousands of years ago, yet relatives of their prey continue to roam the earth. Even many modern apex predators, including several shark species, now struggle as their populations decline. Strength alone has never guaranteed survival. Adaptability, rapid reproduction, and resilience often matter far more. That's why prey animals continue to dominate ecosystems across the planet. Humans may admire predators for their power and courage, but evolution measures success in a very different way. If your only goal was to build an animal capable of surviving for millions of years, becoming the fiercest hunter wouldn't be the smartest choice. Surprisingly, choosing to be the prey might give you the greatest chance of lasting the longest.